All right, we are at the Comfort Inn in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Or I should say I am. Driving through, got here late. Wonder if this is going to bite me in the butt, but they had an upgrade for $25. I did not take it for a jacuzzi tub in the room. I drove 15 hours today in a car. Used to drive a truck. That's not a big deal, but in a car, it's harder. I wonder how it's going to bite me in the butt, but... So I do not know how much more of the hotel I'm going to get because it's like 10:30, and I got to get up at 6. So I might not get the other hotel, but I'll at least get you the room here. There's the front door. Let's go to the bathroom. Huge sink. Wow, 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 wow. Nice, big, huge sink. That's nice. And that's going to feel nice here in a few minutes. Shower. Got a nice desk. I always like real desks. I don't know what it is about rooms. I just like real desks. This has a couch. And from the couch, you got a table. Turn the TV and see the TV okay. King size bed. There's the light. 9:14, but it's 10. I got to change the clock. I don't know if they didn't change it after the time change or what, but it's 10:15 now. So, parking lot. There's the room there. I got a fridge. Let's check the closet out. Sun closet. Standard affair. What you got there? Yeah, let's take a peek at the fridge. How the fridge is. Wrong side. Nice big fridge. Is it cold? Yep, it's cold. It's cold, which is good. Microwave there. Nice place. Front desk. She was really friendly for this late. So I'm A+ for that. Super friendly. So that's it. I'll give you a review in the morning. All right. Here at the room. Yeah, I'm not going to get any video of the place. The only thing it really has here is you'll have the breakfast. I'm leaving before breakfast. The lobby was pretty nice, though. It's pretty open. Everything was good here. I got absolutely zero complaints. Quiet, no issues. It was a Wednesday night though. Nice bed, pillows I like, because if you watch my other videos, you know I'm not kind of a fan of the pillows, just like this lightweight feather ones. Drive me crazy. The only thing is time's off. It's actually an hour later. So you can tell I went right to sleep. But I got zero complaints. Didn't hook my device up to you, but the remote has an input switch and it's easy access. Plug-in has a plug-in right there and easy to get the HDMI. So hooking your Roku or whatever up there would have been really nice, really easy. So that's it. A quick review here. I hope you guys enjoy this. Everybody have a good day.